Hello guys, welcome to the channel. And I've been privileged to share my work with you on my YouTube channel. And some of the respondents wanted me to explain all the visualization tools and charts which I've used in my dashboard. And today I'll be doing the same for you guys. And one more thing, I'll be just keep posting my recent work on my YouTube channel most frequently now. It has been really hectic schedule for me. Uh, with a working professional, as you guys know, it there wasn't proper time for me to just create content for you guys and keep you posted. But now onwards, I'll make sure that I'll just keep you guys posted with all the content and relevant stuff, which would be a great help for you guys in who are pursuing in the data analyst field and the business analytics field as well. So let us initially understand. Just give me a moment, guys. There's a phone call coming. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah. So let us start. It was a project which was hosted by I think LinkedIn only, and I happened to join that and made a weather forecasting dashboard. If I were to create this dashboard currently in a current case perspective, there were to be a phenomenal number of changes because the Power BI has improved a lot of stuffs and it has improvised and just additional features all and everything has changed in Power BI in these days that I had made I think about one year ago. This was the time which I when I made this dashboard. So there are four pages to this dashboard. First is home page. That would be just that would be containing all the stuffs would be a kind of a summary kind of a thing. It contains a navigation field where you can just go to home tab, temperature tab, rainfall tab, and wind speed tab. So it is, I'll tell you how to do that as well. No issues, no worries. So initially, let's start page by page, and this was the data, and it is named as weather updated data set, and this is a single measure which I created at the time. Most of the other measures would have been in this data set only. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So let's get started then. Yeah, so the homepage is not containing much of the things. It is just the arrangement with which I have put it in. So here the first thing is the slicer. No, the first thing is the layout which I have created. This is a simple figure which I have created. I'll just copy it and I'll just show you. This is the background which I created at the time and I duplicated it. Yeah, I duplicated it, and after that, I just happen to have, yeah, like this only. Copy, paste, simple thing. Yeah, I'm just telling you that if I were to create this dashboard today, it would have been a different thing only because there are the more minimalistic it should be, it is good for the maker's perspective. I have created it separately, the background separate and the key components as in a separate in this visual in itself. So today I would be my approach would be different, but for now I'll just hide it so that it should not be reflected here. Okay, yeah, great. Okay, so I'll delete it. Yeah. So the first is the home tab. Let's start with the header only. The average temperature, there were four or five things which I put it in here. And the temperature is basically a card which I've used here. And with just a few color combinations, I did likewise. And yeah, so this is all. The average wind speed is also the same. Average gust speed is also pressure, and the average rainfall is also the same likewise. And here, here, what here is the first ritual which I have used. I'll just simplify it for you by removing the background. I have just simple plotted a this line chart, a multi-line chart, and just put the fields here, year, quarter, and month, and y-axis will be containing maximum temperature, average temperature, and minimum temperature. And yeah, this is all. So this also has I'll tell you afterwards what I'm just the color combination. You might be seeing that blue, this and this color scheme should be a key component across the dashboard which you're having. So I try to just copy that. I'll just tell you a website also which I prefer to use. It is Color Palette or Color Picker, whatever you can use. It is not showing up. Color Palette. Yeah. So first website, I don't know what website I've used. Yeah. Decent colors will come here. Whatever your preference is, no. Try to just in this website can help you make a see the color combination which you can use for a particular color. I got the help from this website only. I saw the colors what should be used here, and likewise I used it. And the this one is a slicer. This one is just simply I put here the slicer. I just that time I tried to because the slicer header no, it is way too oblique when it looks when you just let me just show it to you now only. If I just here I switch the title on, no, it looks very vague in here. ABC. Yeah, uh, too many customizations are needed to make it look the way I want it to look. So I try to make the things differently, and so I try to just make things separately at that very time. That is why I was saying to you that if I were to make the dashboard in current case scenario, it would have been absolutely different. Yeah. And at the very top, it is also a slicer. It is in a just slider format. Yeah. So this is a time-based slicer in which you can just drag and drop, and likewise you'll see the stuff there. Yeah. And let's move on to our second page. Yeah. This is the second page, which is temperature. All the fields, all the KPIs remains intact. This thing I forgot to share with you. This is actually a shape which I've used here. So you can just see here, yeah, yeah, shape, and you can just make a line here, and then you can just rotate it. Rotation you can put, yeah, you can likewise rotate it. I have rotated 90-degree and likewise set the temperature for that as well. Sorry, the color for that as well. Yeah, this is the most great graph which I can, great chart which I'm able to make till now. Why? Because it is very, I would say it is phenomenal. Man, the chart should be the more simpler the chart and the more easily it can explain to the person who is doing it, the more great is the chart. Very simple logic here. So this is nothing. This is simply what you say is this matrix. This is a table. That is it. It is nothing as such in this chart. So I think due to this chart only, many users requested me that I should tell them what chart is this specifically. So I'll tell you how I made it. Okay. So let me just copy it down for you. Okay. So I copied it down. Now just see what I have done is it was just numbers and everything. I have done nothing. Rows contained date, yeah, rows contain year and column contain, let me just give me a sec. I'll just make it for you now. Date and let me just, sorry for that. Yeah. And after that, convert it to matrix. Yes. And day, year, I have to keep it in rows only. And I want month also, I want in the column field. This is it. And values, what are the values here? I want whatever I want, man. I want average temperature, no? Let's make average temperature here. Average, average temperature. Come on, yaar. Temperature. Okay. Yeah, just let me put the temperature. Show values as what is this average? Okay, got that. Now, one thing is just go to the layout general properties now title effects. Yes, background. Just set it as no background. And now let's come to the values part. Okay. Now let's go to the value part. Yes. So now what we have to do is we have to select the, just give me a sec, guys. Okay. Specific column. We have to come to the specific column and values. What should be the text color? Or should be where it was, yeah. Cell elements. Yes, just yeah, this was the one. Okay. So just select the background color, just select the font color. Yeah, this was it. So now what I have to do is I have to just click on this conditional formatting thing and format style. Let's keep it to gradient only. Okay. Lowest value should be, so this is the temperature graph now. So we have what we want is we want maximum temperature color to be red and least temperature color should be blue. What I've done is okay. So temperature, let me search it for temperature. Yeah, this here it is. And low temperature should be let me say it is green and empty value is the highest temperature should be marking as red. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now same. Now we have to apply the same rule for the font color as well because the font color will be invisible as per the background color. No, that is I was able to create this. So same color, highest value, this one. Okay, yeah. And there might have been an additional thing also. Just give me a sec. Where it is? That yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here it is average now. Where it will be summation of that. Yeah. Yeah. This is the graph. And by setting up and correcting the row width and everything, the row labels, height and size and everything, we can just make it like this. This is the graph which I made that time. And I was very proud of that actually. I saw it somewhere and I thought that I should give it a try and I made it. Yeah. So this was the graph which yeah, this is the same thing for wind speed and for rainfall similarly. And this is simple, this stacked bar chart. And across the dashboard, there is this thing. It is called as what it is called. It is called something actually. Give me a second. Yeah, it is called as button actually. Yes, yes. From here you can actually this is a navigator. Yeah, page navigator and bookmark navigator. This is actually a page navigator. You can go across pages and just select it likewise. So this was the dashboard which actually was very contributing in my skill building at that time, and I would definitely recommend you guys to actually make it once that so that you also will be able to just grab more skills and likewise will be very helpful for you guys in building up your Power BI skills. And just one more help to you guys. This dashboard's link is also available on my GitHub page. I'll just drop down a link there in the chat box down below this video, and you can get it from there. So thank you guys. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll just keep you guys updated on the upcoming sort of things which I'm doing. And hopefully I will be helping you guys. For any queries, just let me know in the comment section, or you can also connect with me on GitHub also, or I'll also just share my LinkedIn profile down below in the description section so that you can also connect with me. And for any queries, you can just reach out to me. I'll be very happy to help you guys. It has been actually year or so when I started working in data analytics field, and I found it very interesting actually to just help the companies getting the insights. That is it. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot, and it was so nice talking to you guys. So thank you.